Day, a girl asked her friend, "Will you stand behind me no matter what?" Her friend answered no. Then the girl asked, "Will you at least be there for me after something bad happens?" And once again, she answered no. The girl started to cry and said, "Well, do you even like me?" And again, her friend said no. She started to sob and went to leave, but her friend stopped her and said, "Wait, you didn't let me finish." She explained, "I won't stand behind you because I'll be beside you. I won't be there after something bad because I'll be there while it's happening. And I don't like you. I love you."